Hello friends. Sometimes you want to lock your file so that other persons cannot see the data in that file. That file can be a Word file or can be a PowerPoint presentation or can be an Excel file or so on. So any file that is an MS Office file, you can lock it using a password. How you can lock it, I will tell you in this video. First, you have to open that file that you want to lock, and then you just click on Save As button.
Then I will select the folder where this file I will save, and then click the Tools button and General option, and here password to open. This is a box. Here I will type a password. This password is to open the file, and second, password to modify. Here I can type another password that will be used for modifying the file. If this password is given to a person, he can modify also, but if the first password is given, then he can just open and see the file. So I will confirm this password. After retyping the passwords, I will click on save, and now this dialog box appears. Here I will click on yes, and this way the file will be saved. I will type the name of the file, and now don't ask me again. This document will be upgraded, and now the password is set. I will open the same file now. That is the test file, and now it is asking for the password. The password that I entered first, I am entering here, and now I will click on OK button. Then the second password I will enter here, and then I will click on OK button.
And this way, your file will be locked, and without a password, it cannot be opened. You have seen this lock using in MS Word. Now the same procedure will be in MS Excel file also. Now I'm showing you how to lock an Excel file.
First, I have opened an Excel file and clicking on Save As. Now selecting the folder where this file I will save. Selecting the folder. Now clicking on Tools button, and here General Options I will select. I will click here on General Options. Here it is asking for password to open and password to modify. Both password I will enter one by one. And now click on OK button. Re-enter password to proceed. The same password I will have to re-enter. Clicking OK. Re-entering the second password, that is to modify, and clicking on OK button. I can change the file name here, and now clicking on Save button. This way the file is saved, and now I will open this file that I have protected with the password. It is opening and now asking for the password. Here I will enter the first password, that is to open the file, like this, clicking on OK button, and then I will enter a password for writing, and this way the file will be open and will appear on the screen.
And this way, the Excel file can be locked. So this is the method how you can lock your file using your password, and without password nobody can open your file. And you can give the access without making any change. And there are options when you are giving the password. There are two passwords. So one password is for locking complete file, and second option is for making changes. If you know both the passwords, then you can open the file as well as you can make changes. But if you know only one password, then you can open the file but cannot make any changes. So this is all the information about locking the file using the password. Hope you have liked this video, and if this video is informative, then just press the like button, share this video among your friends, and subscribe this channel so that you can get more and more videos on other good topics that you really need. Thank you for watching this video.